Krishna. Why he has been known as Govardhana Giridhari. Let me introduce my friends. I am Gaurika. I am studying in 6th standard. My character is Yashoda.
Hari Om, my name is Navya Shripi. I am studying in 6th standard. My character is a villager.
Hari Om, my name is Sanidhya. I am studying in 6th standard. My character is a villager.
Hari Om, my name is Deepika. I am studying in 6th standard. My character is a villager.
Hari Om, my name is Puneet. I am studying in 6th standard. My character is a villager.
Hari Om, my name is Rishikesh. I am studying in 6th standard. My character is a villager.
I am Harshit, studying in 7th standard, acting as Krishna.
I am Navneet, 7th standard. I am acting as Indradeva. I am Arya, studying in 6th standard, acting as Narada. Let's have a look.
Why are you in so hurry? What are you doing?
I am preparing to worship God Indradeva.
Indradeva?
Yes.
Why we need to worship Indradeva?
As we do every year, that we must offer our prayers to ensure that He blesses with us rain.
Is it?
Yes. Come, let's go for puja.
Okay, ma.
My dear mother, dear villagers, do you know why we need to worship Indradeva? Lord Indradeva controls the rain.
Without him, our crops would wither.
And our cattle would suffer.
Yes, yes.
No, it's not the Indradeva who controls the rain. It's the Govardhana Giri which controls the rain. It stops the clouds and brings the rain for us. It is shelter for many living creatures. It is our natural God. So let's worship Govardhana Giri.
I think whatever Krishna said is correct.
Yes. It is the source of our sustenance.
Come, let's do puja of Govardhana Giri.
Narayana, Narayana. Narayana, Narayana. Namaste, Narada Maharshi.
Namaste, Indradeva.
Do you know what's happening? What's happening?
The villagers are worshipping Govardhana Giri instead of you.
Oh no! How dare the people are! I am the Lord of Heaven. How can they ignore me? I shall unleash storm that never before to teach them a lesson.
Krishna, please save us.
Krishna, please save us.
Don't worry, I will save you. I know it's the work of Indradeva.
So what will you do now?